Check out this modern farmhouse here in the heart of Fairview Village. You're going to love this award-winning community, which combines the warmth and comfort of a small town with the energy and convenience of a big urban center. This gracious and wonderfully maintained home has more than 3,000 square feet of living space, including 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, but most of all, the primary suite bedroom is on the main floor. This kitchen has granite countertops, plus high-end appliances, including a gas stove, sub-zero fridge, and even a Decor wall oven. There is so much more to this home than I can show you here, so reach out to me or your agent as soon as possible to come take a look yourself. You'll be glad you did.